What happens when Nemesis fires a rocket directly into RPD station? For Nemesis Diorama, I didn't want clean metal pieces. I wanted realistic explosion damage, burned metal, heat stains. In this tutorial, I will show how I paint realistic burned metal effect on 3D prints using simple technique with sponge, weathering, metallic layers and washes. Whether you are painting miniature statues or resin 3D prints, these techniques can instantly make your project feel more realistic. Everything starts with black primer. For burned and damaged metal, starting dark helps to create natural shadows from beginning. Once the primer fully dry, I took simple sponge and I started applying rough iron only in selected areas. I don't want clean coverage here. Explosion damage is random, scratched and uneven. The sponge creates rough texture naturally, and that broken texture instantly starts making the surface feel like damaged metal rather than smooth painted plastic. After the rough iron layer dried completely, I switched again to the sponge technique, but this time with weapon bronze. Instead of covering everything, I focused only on raised areas and random sections. Real metal affected by heat and destruction develops different tones, and layering these colors starts creating that realistic burned metal effect. Already the surface begins looking less like paint and more like aged battle damage. For the last step, just give a good black wash on the entire surface. It will tonify all the colors and gives us the contrast which we are expecting to have. That's the final result. With just few layers, sponge weathering, metallic tones and washes, the RPD logo now looks like actually survived a rocket explosion instead of looking like a clean 3D print.